Oh my god, why is my camera tilting? Hi, welcome back to my channel, Accidental Beauty. If you're new, welcome. My name's Laura. I post videos once a week, mainly about makeup and sometimes about hair, fashion, lifestyle, beauty, skincare, all that good stuff. So if that sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so you get updates whenever I upload a new video. I'm also on Instagram and Twitter. I've got links for all my social media accounts, affiliate links, and discount codes in the description box below. So I would really appreciate it if you guys could follow me there and check those out. That would be super awesome and super appreciated. Today I am going to be talking about stuff that I got at Innisfree. Okay, like a couple months ago, they opened a store in Toronto. Super exciting. So I went there a couple weeks ago. So I finally had a chance to go there, check out the store in person, and really get a feel for all of the products that they sell and just really like go nuts. So if you guys want to see the products that I bought, hear about my experience shopping there, and just learn a little bit more about the brand, then please keep on watching. So Innisfree is, if you've never heard of them before, they're a Korean skincare brand. Korean skincare is just like sort of exploding everywhere. Everyone wants to try out Korean skincare because it's like amazing for your skin. In Korean culture, they have like this 10-step beauty process, and like there's like all these different products that you use and then your skin looks amazing after. So I was also interested. So I had heard of Innisfree before. I've only heard of like a couple Korean skincare brands. I haven't really looked into them too much, but I do a lot of shopping on Asian retail sites, like mostly clothing, but a lot of them will also have like accessories and skincare and stuff like that. So I heard of Innisfree, I think through there, probably through Yes Style. Yeah, but other than that, like I had never tried their products before, probably because they weren't really that readily available in Canada until recently. So when I heard that Innisfree was opening a store in Canada, especially in Toronto, it was super exciting. So I went a little nuts, and I also joined their points program. So, and also like the bags are just super cute. They had like a huge grand opening thing. Didn't go to that, but anyways. Okay, so as a result of spending like more than like $90 or something like that, there were two sort of like gifts if you join their loyalty points program. I don't think it's like if you spend a certain amount, you get those gifts. I think it was just like if you join their points program and you spend a certain amount, you get one of two gifts. So I chose to get this really cute limited edition tote bag. It says Innisfree, and it's just kind of like landmarks in Toronto. So we have like a museum, sports arena, CN Tower, obviously, Parliament, like that type of stuff. But it was super cute. Then in hindsight, literally right after leaving the store, I immediately regretted my decision because the other gift was a 4-piece skincare like trial thing. It was like a green tea. I think they had like an eye cream, a face moisturizer, maybe a toner, and something else. I can't remember. Yeah, so I felt like that one was a better value gift because, you know, I feel like that sort of is closer to the $90 mark, whereas like this you could get for like $2. That being said, it is really cute and it is limited edition, whereas the other welcome gift, the green tea set, you can actually buy online, whereas this I don't think you can get anywhere. So I might end up buying the green tea gift just because, you know, I want to try it out. Apparently green tea I think is good for like reducing like inflammation and redness or something like that. So definitely want to try it out for that. So I'll just show you guys quickly what I bought, and then I'm going to try out a couple products. So first thing that I got was it's basically makeup wipes. But the ones that I've been using are just the Neutrogena ones. They're good, but they are alcohol based, so they do dry out my skin. So when I found this one, I don't think this has alcohol. I'm gonna have to do some research and see if this actually has any drying alcohols, but it's the moisturizing cleansing tissue with olive. So I figured if this is like a bit more oil based and specifically moisturizing, this might be more gentle on my skin, especially because we're going into winter and it's going to be super dry out. And you get 30 sheets, whereas the ones that I was using before you only get 25, so I thought this is better. And then they have like what's in here? Oh, this is just the welcome package, but oh, Look at that. Okay, so this is, I guess, another, like, this is just the welcome package, but this isn't actually like the 4-piece set. And if I can open it up, it's intense hydration with jeju green tea. So this just comes with like a serum and a cream, and then it says here, dear friend, it's tea o'clock, which I thought is super cute. I'm struggling here. Okay, so I kind of ripped the thing. Okay, yeah, so this is the 4-piece set that I was talking about before, which I decided not to get. And then you also get, oh, I guess it's like a smaller version of that set. Oh, okay, interesting. Oh, that is really cool. So you get a mask. I guess they like fold it up like a sheet mask, and then you get intense hydrating cream, intense hydrating eye cream, and a hydrating serum. So I think I might save this for another video because I'm really interested in trying out all of them and see how they work. And I guess if I really like this, then I can buy the larger set, but that's cool to know that it does actually come with, like, I can try out samples of everything. And then they threw in a couple extra packets of serum, which I think I might try out one of them now. And then I bought a couple of sheet masks because they were having some promotion. So I got Fig. This is an essence type one, and it's for clearing and smoothing skin. Then I got this hair, and I got the rose one. It's a water type mask, and this one is for moisturizing and brightening. And then I got also an essence type, whatever that means, and it's the aloe moisturizing and soothing mask. So again, I'm not going to try these out tonight. I might do a separate video, but I'm really excited to try them out because I know my skin is going to be super dry and I feel like my skin will love these. And then I got the Youth Enriched Sleeping Mask with Orchid, so I'm really excited to try this out. I feel like it's basically like an intense moisturizer, like kind of like a night cream. So I'm excited to try that out. I love their packaging. I love the way that they color code everything. Everything is super easy to find in the store, by the way. They have, so they kind of separate it by, they have some makeup on one side, and then most of the store is skincare. So they have makeup, they have tools also. So they have like, do I actually have it in here? Or did I move it? Oh, no, I have it in here. They have facial razors. So I bought a couple eyebrow razors to just try out and see if I could like groom my eyebrows using these. So this came in a pack of 2. They also have makeup brushes, they have blush, foundation, like everything. And then on the other side, so pretty much like 3/4 of the store, 1/4 is makeup and then like 3/4 is skincare. And then they divide it by ingredient. So they have like green tea, they have orchid, they have like all these different things. And then within there, they kind of have like anti-aging and then like moisturizing and brightening and like all these different things. So they have like all their like pump products, like, you know, like toners and moisturizers and stuff like that. And then they also have an area for sheet masks. It's really, really organized, like just such a beautiful store to walk into. Like everything's very minimalist. Packaging is really great, really minimalist. Everything's color coded. It's awesome. And the staff were super, super friendly and really, really helpful. Okay. And then the last thing that I got is the Dewy Glow Toner with Jeju Cherry Blossom. This is actually really weighty. So that is everything that I bought. Now I'm going to try out some products. So I'm just going to remove my makeup and just kind of do my night routine, and we'll see how that goes. So I'm going to try using these facial, like face, what do you call these? Like makeup removing wipes just on their own. But I have a feeling that I'll need to supplement with some other makeup remover, which is just normally what I do. I use like a wipe and makeup remover. This is the Pond's cold cream. I use this all the time. It's amazing. So we'll just see how that goes. I'm just going to open this up. It has like a seal to keep it fresh, and then it also snaps closed. Okay. Oh, and the adhesive on the seal is actually really, really good. This is a smaller wipe than I'm used to, so hopefully I won't have to use more than one. Oh, it smells like olive, actually. Okay, so it removed like a decent amount of makeup. I feel like for mascara, I think I'm going to have to supplement with makeup remover, but I'll just Give everything a wipe. Okay, yeah, so I'm gonna just supplement with makeup remover. It's okay. Okay, so I just removed the rest of my makeup off screen and just washed my face with a little cleanser. Right off the bat, I don't love these makeup remover wipes. I feel like the Neutrogena ones do a bit of a better job removing makeup. If I'm going to be using these kind of like as a vessel for this Pond's cold cream, I'm okay with that, and I would do a better job, obviously, of removing makeup if I was just, you know, doing this normally. I'm just in a little bit of a rush. So yeah, I don't particularly love these, but like they're okay for what they are. I wish they were like a bit more saturated with product. That's the only thing. Okay, so next I'm gonna open this Dewy Glow Toner and we'll see how dewy I can get. I love the packaging, and I love how they have a little illustration for each ingredient. So they have like a lotus plant, they have a cherry blossom. It's really, really cute. Ooh, okay, so this is like a really, really nice bottle. Oh, okay, so there's just like a little plastic seal, and then you just like pour it out of here. I feel like you're supposed to pour this onto like a cotton ball or something like that. I don't have any, so I'm just gonna pour it onto my hand. Okay, so it's a controlled top, so you only get like a couple drops come out. I like actually this little plastic thing on top. It keeps it fresh. So I'm just gonna screw the top back on. Doesn't have much of a scent. It just kind of smells clean. Just do a little bit more. Oops. It's weird. This feels it almost has that like alcohol based feeling in that like you put it on, and even though it's a liquid, it feels dry. But my skin doesn't feel irritated, so I don't think there is alcohol in here. Do I look dewy? I don't know if I look dewy at all. Apparently delivers abundant hydration to dull and dry skin for a moist and revitalized look. Yeah, I don't know if I really look all that dewy. Maybe a little bit, maybe a little glowy, but I'm gonna try out this serum first, and then we're gonna put on the sleeping mask. So this is the Intensive Hydrating Serum with green tea seed. It's probably like just a one-use sample. Got a little green tea plant over here. Ooh, I like this a lot. Oh my god. Oh, and it smells really nice. Okay, I'm just gonna use up what's in here because I can't really reseal it. Okay, yeah, I really like this product. This really feels super moisturizing, just really gentle, but provides intense hydration. Wow, I like this a lot. Definitely would purchase the full-size version of this. It smells like, I don't want to say like masculine, but I feel like it kind of smells a little bit like cologne, but like not in like a really harsh, obnoxious kind of way. I don't know how to describe it. So I'm just gonna let that sink in for a minute. I feel like I probably applied too much. I would probably apply like half of what I just put on my face, but since I can't really reseal that packet, kind of had to use all of it. Okay, so while I'm letting that just dry, okay, it's sinking into my skin, I'm going to open up the Youth Enriched Sleeping Mask with Orchid, and okay, so this one just comes in like a tube. It doesn't really have like, it's got like a very gentle scent, and this looks like a very thick cream. Oh yeah, this is really thick. I think I'm going to be using this a lot in the winter. Oh my god, I like this a lot, and now I look very dewy and I feel like I look like I have glass skin. So that is everything. I'll just do a very quick rundown of the products that I liked and didn't like, just kind of like in order, I guess, of what I used. So makeup remover wipes, not a huge fan. I feel like they're definitely not great for removing waterproof makeup, and I feel like if you wear very light makeup, these are probably fine for you, but any like heavy makeup like what I was wearing, I I feel like this just isn't strong enough, and I feel like you definitely need to supplement with a heavy duty makeup remover. Okay, so I like that it's gentle in that it didn't feel like there was like rubbing alcohol in it, but I feel like because the wipes aren't super saturated, you're still rubbing pretty harshly on your skin to remove makeup, so I don't know if this is better. The toner was fine. I feel like I've used other toners, I just feel like they're doing a bit more, but maybe I just have to try this out a couple more times to see if I like it better, but wasn't super impressed, just like first impression alone. The green tea hydrating serum, love this. And normally I feel like maybe just like in the past I've used serums that don't really do a whole lot, but this one I actually felt it doing something. It felt so moisturizing. It just felt like super amazing. And then last but not least, the sleeping mask. I love this. This is so good. My face feels so moisturized and not irritated at all. So definitely would repurchase that. Yeah, so that is kind of like my mini first impressions tryout and just overall review of Innisfree. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, if you've tried any Innisfree products that you really recommend, or have tried any products that I spoke about in the video, feel free to comment in the comment section below. I love hearing from you guys. I love hearing about product reviews or product like recommendations. Really like that, and I'll see you guys next time.